Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This short video, I'm going to try to keep this under 7 or 8 minutes or so. We're going to look at this Work Sharp knife sharpener. This is the WSED-CPVP. It's a Pivot Plus knife sharpener. Okay, now I'm going to open up the back right here. I've already done this before and kind of ripped the instructions just a little bit. So here it is. And I'm going to go over this with you. I don't expect you to read it. Convex-Carbide blades, ceramic hone rods, tapered diamond rod, pivot response lock, and a lanyard hole. Let's go and open this thing up. I've got a knife here I used on my previous sharpening demo that I did. Let's go ahead and do what we can to open this thing up without ruining the package. I don't plan on taking this back, but I'm going to try to keep the package as good as possible. Let's go this way. Cutting away from myself, of course. Let's go cut this a little bit more right here. There we go. Here is the Pivot Plus Work Sharp knife sharpener. Pretty nice looking, very lightweight. Go ahead and close up this rod right here. Got a nice little places right here for your fingers to fit when you have it down on your table. Here is the ceramic rods, and they call these the Convex-Carbide blades. Carbide and ceramic. Here's the lanyard hole right here. And here is the serrated, can't get my finger up under there. Serrated rod, not serrated rod, diamond coated rod for your serrated knives. We'll get back to this. Well, let me grab a serrated blade right here. Let's do that one first. Okay, here we go. I've got two knives here with some serrated edges right here. This is one and this is another. Not sure of the quality on these knives, but it doesn't matter. It's just for demonstration purposes. Here we go. Now the serrated blades, you have your rod go into each individual and turn as you're going along with the grind. That will sharpen up your serrated edges with no problem. Doing each one. Take a while to do this, but it works. And then when you get done with that, just take the flat blade, just do this all the way across. Okay, let's get that out of the way. I've got these three knives here that I bought at a yard sale. I gave $1 for all three of them. I've been using this one previous demos. I'm going to put this one aside. Let's use the middle size one right here. Get this big one, let's put it aside. And check this out. Got a big old piece of granite right here. Got this knife here. Listen to this. So you can see me actually doing it, so there's no trickery. Yep, that's dull now. What we're going to do is fold this back up. we're going to take this everyday yard sale knife. I don't know what kind of steel it is. Doesn't really matter to me because I don't know what's a good steel and a bad steel. I just know what I like and what I don't like. Okay, on this Pivot Plus, you see this red button right here on top. It slides to the right and to the left, this way, and back this way. Whoops. There we go. Pretty tight on there. What that does is, let me make sure I'm reading this right. If you're holding it this way and slide this red button to the left, activate pivot response. This allows the Convex-Carbide mechanism to follow the curve of the blade and increased material removal for heavy sharpening. Slide the button to the right. This will reduce the material takeoff and is better suited for lighter sharpening applications. So since I ran this over a rock, I'm going to leave it to the left for it to take out more. I'm going to go. Now you'll see this knife right here does not go all the way to the end of the blade in here due to the way it's, the style and the way it's made. You see right here, does not go all the way to the blades. 1, 2. You hear the sound of that? 3. Sound like a file going over some steel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I see little pieces of metal in this old dirty towel here. Yep, and I can feel where it made a difference. So right now I'm going to slide this little red lock to the right and take out less metal. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when I'm pulling this out, when I'm getting closer to the end, I'm pulling up on the blade to follow the contour. Let's give this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, I did run this across that piece of rock. Okay, let's go over this ceramic rods right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see how sharp it is now. Got just a regular piece of copy paper. It is cutting. It is definitely cutting. So let me run this few more times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try this again. Definitely better. Definitely better. Getting better every time. 10 more times, see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's better. Still not quite as good as I want it to be, but it is a lot better than when I first started. So, to sum this thing up, this was under $10. I bought it from Amazon or eBay. I don't remember which one now. Under $10. Nice little addition to your toolbox, your glove box, your tackle box, whatever you want to put it in. I don't think you can go wrong with this. If you have one of these, why don't you tell us how you like yours? Appreciate it if you leave some kind of comment below. And hit the bell. You'll be notified when I upload more videos. Thanks for watching.